Let's take a tour of the dashboard and get familiar with the basic features. On the left panel, you'll see the patient list. This is where you can search, add, and sort patients. At the top, you'll see a search bar where you can quickly find a patient by typing their first or last name. To the right of that, you'll find sorting options, like when the encounter was created or what stage the encounter is in. Below that is the option to add patients manually by creating a new encounter. This will open a window to capture basic patient information before you start transcribing. To the left of the New Encounter button, you'll see the Import button, and this lets you import a list of patients from a photo or a file. To the right, there's a lightning bolt icon. This is the Quick Start button. Clicking this will immediately start transcribing and create a patient profile all in one step. Looking at the patient list, you'll notice the note type displayed next to each patient's name, so you can quickly see the purpose of the visit at a glance. And to the right of that, there's a status icon showing what stage the encounter is in, like whether a note has been generated or the note has been signed. Let's click into a patient that was just created. When you open a patient encounter, it opens the right panel where you can transcribe, generate notes, and add patient information. At the top, you'll see the patient's name, along with a pencil icon. Click this to edit basic details like their name or their date of birth. Below that is note information, which includes the option to change the note type. Underneath that, you'll see two main tabs, AI Note and Human Inputs. AI Note displays the generated note, and Human Inputs shows your transcript. If you navigate back to AI Note, you'll see a gray box that has visit summary, vitals, and patient profile. These will fill in automatically when the note is generated, but you can also enter this information manually beforehand. Let's take a look at a note with a transcript. You'll know it has a transcript if there's a microphone icon next to the encounter. To view the transcript, open the Human Inputs tab. Just below the transcript is the context field, and this is where you can type in any information you want in the note but didn't dictate out loud. But remember, as long as the note is unsigned, you can continue to dictate. You'll also see the option to copy your transcript from this page. Now let's look at a generated note. These are marked with an AI icon. Make sure you're in the AI Note tab to view it. Each section has icons that allow you to take actions within the specific section. So if you click the microphone, you can dictate into that section. You can also regenerate a section or copy it to your clipboard. Some sections may include extra tools, like ICD code suggestions, and this helps you select the most accurate codes for billing and documentation. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a Customize button. This lets you change the style and length of your notes or disable sections for that note type moving forward. These can be toggled on and off. Right below Customize, you'll find options to copy your entire note or just parts of it like subjective, objective, and assessment and plan, which is great for pasting directly into your EHR. Click the Actions button in the upper right corner to upload supporting documents like labs. You can also navigate here to delete the encounter. When the encounter is complete, click Sign to close it out. You'll be prompted to enter the PIN you created when you set up your account. To adjust your account settings, head to the menu in the upper right corner. Under Profile, you can update your name and contact information. Preferences lets you choose your default languages and units of measurement. In Note Settings, you can select your doctor type, set default note types, and enable or disable specific ones by checking and unchecking the boxes here. Under Note Style, you can choose how your notes are formatted, concise or comprehensive, bullet points, or paragraphs. EHR integration is where you let us know which EHR system you use so we can tailor your notes. So make sure you have the right one selected. And in security, you can change your password, PIN, and auto-delete settings for your notes. If you navigate back into the primary settings and click on Patient Panel, you can search patients and update their personal details like address and phone number. This is kind of like a patient directory. The Help tab is where you can create support tickets and track their resolution status. AI support is where you can ask quick questions about how to use different features. Refresh app is a great option if something gets stuck, like a note isn't generating, but you can also refresh the app by clicking on the logo in the upper left corner. And finally, log out safely signs you out of the platform.